Hello, everybody. We are coming to you live from Target, or Target, as us fancy people like to say. And I came in here with Mara as we are just going to get, she just needed, what did you just need, almonds?
I needed
What did you need? She needed chickpeas.
And feta cheese.
And feta cheese. And hold. So far, this is what's happening.
We went shopping. I like these.
So
can we get a vote? Robin says these would be awesome on me.
I think they're so cute.
I think they're a little funky.
Joanne, I know you're watching and you have awesome style.
Not sure if I can
What do
pull
you
these
think
off.
of those? Okay, they're adorable and they're on sale for $10.
Who said they're adorable?
I do.
Oh.
I say they're adorable.
Don't tell him I buy $10 shoes.
They're on sale. How could you not buy them? I mean, honestly, they're incredible.
But they look like $1 million.
They're adorable. No, that's why I said to get them. So wait, hold up the other shoes that we got.
Oh,
So we need to know. We need a thumbs up
I've
if you
never
guys like
gone
this.
shoe shopping at Target.
I don't normally either, but they were adorable. We were just schmying around, and of course,
Robin?
Yes, she says. Joanne says yes. Okay, I got these. They look absolutely enormous. They look like Sasquatch. They are. They're size 11.
They're size 11.
Okay, and those were really, really cute. I know, Joanne, we're in your favorite place. It's my favorite place too. Okay, and Mara got those. Wait, turn to the side. So cute. They really do have some nice spring stuff. And what I found is you literally have to like grab it while it's here. So
I had no plans on shoe shopping today.
no, right? We did it. And so we're driving. So we're walking by. We're going through the aisles, and all of a sudden, Mara comes over here and goes, "Oh my God, what a shower head! I think I need the shower head." I said, "What can you do with this shower head?" Mara, what can you do with the shower head?
So many things.
So many fun things.
It looks awesome. I'm like my shower. I have a good shower head. I have a shower head.
Wait, Larry Dannenberg is watching.
Hi, Larry.
He helped our kids get into
I'm
college.
gonna see Larry today. I have a 3 o'clock appointment with Larry. I'm going to do my hair before then, though.
So Mara found this shower head along with shoes and things we don't need. So don't tell our husbands that we're here doing this, but we are.
Yes.
So we're actually moving on, right? We're just kind of moving on here to where else are we
Well, I wanted
going
to go to the.
We were gonna go sit in the couches and talk, right?
But what did I need? I needed something else. I need sun-dried tomatoes.
No, they're not here. We already they don't have sun-dried tomatoes at Target. Who do we talk to about that? I don't know.
Target police.
Target police. All right. Well, anyway, guys.
So.
Hey, Krista.
I don't go shopping. Rob goes shopping. I haven't been in a store in months.
Okay, Mara, this is a cart. This is what you do in the cart. You fill it with things.
I go to SKM and home.
So we are literally like just kind of walking through Target right now.
This is
and,
so cool.
Okay, Mara found something cool. Let's see what thinks is cool. And we will all judge. I do think that's super. Can you sit on it?
Yeah. It's comfy.
It's comfy?
It's not so comfy. It needs a
It's
back.
not so comfy. Maybe for like a teenager.
All right, teenager. I know, I'm in denial.
Okay. All right.
I know.
Okay.
Let's put this
All right, put that back.
Oh my God.
And it's $59, which is way too much for that.
This
Yes.
is beautiful.
No, you don't know. You don't know Hearth and what is it? Hearth and Hand?
I don't think I've been in Target in years.
Oh my God. Okay. Do you know what shiplap is?
No.
All right, you need to know what
My
shiplap
husband
is.
does the Target shopping.
Okay. This is.
What's it called? Triple.
There's a show on HGTV and now.
Oh,
all of a
is it
sudden
reality show?
No, it's
Yeah.
like they do houses over.
Yeah, I wouldn't know that.
Yeah. So this is all their line. What is it called? I know you all know. Jen, what's it called? What's it called? Somebody tell me what's the show called? I can't. It's called Hearth and Hand with Magnolia. So it's like that woman.
Magnolia. I've heard of Magnolia.
Yeah, Magnolia something or other. See, it's so stinking cute.
Are these dishwasher proof?
Probably, I would assume.
Dishwasher and
How cute is
microwave.
that?
I like
How cute
these.
is that? Those are your color too. They're like an avocado green color and pear.
Look.
I know, so cute. So, yeah, and I get my weakness are those. Is that department over there? The pillows. I love the pillows. And if I can get one on sale, I'm there. I'm there. So cute. Wait, you have to wait up for the carriage, Matt. You gotta wait for the carriage.
Easter's coming.
Easter is coming. I'm gonna break a glass in a second.
Easter's coming.
Yeah, I know. I don't think you need that dish though. That's not for you, sweetheart.
You know what Rob got yesterday at the market? They came out with the marshmallow twists for Passover. We started buying them.
Yum. See, these I'm like all over. I love this. I love this like multi-texture and the blush tones and the fur. But you can't have that like in summer. I just don't think that's not for me. Anyway, so we're just we are
Debek, this is for you.
Debbie, I don't think she's
Debek?
watching. She's not watching right now. But
Debek had a rough morning. They didn't have her bagel.
We're gonna I know. Panera was not on their game this morning, I'll tell you. We met there and they kind of messed everything up. But anyway, so we're gonna just keep going. And thanks, guys, for joining us. I know we haven't been on for a while, but maybe we'll come to you next from Home Goods.
Oh, that would be
therapeutic.
I haven't been in Home Goods ever.
I will be coming to you live from Home Goods. So you guys have a great weekend.
My husband will go.